After the tragedy of Karbala and staying in Kufa for a couple of days, the caravan of the Prophet's family, women, children, and the ill Imam Zainab, was forced to begin a painful journey toward Damascus, chained, wounded, grieving. The first stop, Qasr Bani Muqatil. Here the prisoners weren't given food or water. Lady Zainab comforted the children through sobs, while the soldiers mocked the family of the Prophet. Next, Qasr, a cold, dark place. The captives were left outside. No shelter, no blankets. At Tibra, the people watched the caravan pass, some in silence, some in tears. One woman dared to ask, "Who are they?" And a soldier replied, "These are the rebels, the family of Hussein." But Lady Zainab raised her chained hands and said,
"No, we are the family of prophethood, the treasure of mercy, and the crushed truth."
And so began the March of Sorrow, a journey that would awaken hearts for centuries to come.